Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm so happy because I have released my new pattern. This is my first plushie doll pattern. It is very cute and so adorable, so soft, and it's quite big. It is about 45 centimeters, and of course it will be easy enough to do. So this is some of the part I will show you. So this is the important part. After making the two legs, we will connect both legs. Grab the pink yarn and then pull up a loop and then chain 2, 1, 2, and then grab the other leg and we will slip stitch to the other leg right here. Slip stitch. Okay. And then chain 1 and we will start the first round of the body. So this is round 1. Single crochet at the same stitch. Okay, this is our first single crochet of round 1. Don't forget, mark your first single crochet. Okay, the leg has 10 stitches, so we will single crochet 10 times. Okay, this is the third. We have 3 single crochet, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is the last. We have 10 single crochet for one leg, and then we will single crochet twice at the chain 2 that we made to connect both legs. Okay, right here, single crochet twice, 1, okay, be careful, and 2. Okay, next we will start single crochet to the other leg. This is the first stitch, 1. Keep going. Okay, this is the last. We have 10 stitches. Okay, and then we will single crochet twice again at the chain 2 that connect both legs. 1, one more, and 2. Okay, this is the end of round 1. You will have 24 stitches for round 1. Slip stitch at the first stitch and then chain 1, and we can go on to round 2. Single crochet at the same, and you can go on follow the pattern.